Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Eero Home Wi-Fi System Kit. This particular kit is one full Eero with two beacons. So let's get started. On the bottom of the box, there are some specifications along with system requirements. It explains what the Eero is and the Eero beacon. You can see it says Eero embedded on the front. And it looks like there's it just lifts, and you have a welcome card here to download the app, and then they also give you support website and also a phone number, power supplies. So nicely coiled power adapter, and this connector is a type C connector. And then let's move on to the big Eero. This guy has two LAN ports on the back. They are auto sensing, so you can plug it into either your modem, or if you plug in a device into it, it'll auto detect if it's a modem or an actual device. And then you have the USB-C connector, and then there's also a WPS button right onto the side here. And then inside, you have a little box. Comes with an Ethernet cable, Cat 6. You have the beacon, and these guys just plug directly into the wall. So they can be placed in hallways or wherever there's not a furniture or somewhere you can place these on. They do have a black bar at the bottom. I believe this is the light. You can turn this on or off in the Eero app, but it just tells you when when it's powered on. So pretty slick design. And then there's also a button on the side. I believe this is a WPS button. It might be for the light. Another Eero beacon. Same thing. Button on the side, light on the top of it. Here. Nice and compact, well thought put into designing it. Just like the app, I'm a huge fan of Eero. I have the original, and this is going to be my replacement.